Hey guys, the watch list video for Wednesday, July 31st. The SPY kind of ugly today, but keep in mind tomorrow is FOMC day, so we'll see what happens tomorrow. We had a couple big name support in after hours today. Let me slide this over real quick before I get into that. Pause the video for you new people and read that quick explanation of what we do. I think I might make all my afternoon videos about shit that went wrong for me. Man, did I just miss a nice trade in after hours. I think I complained about one yesterday too, so let's start that off again today. Microsoft reported, right? And many of us were watching NVIDIA today for a bounce. And Microsoft just like took the whole tech sector down in after hours. It fell to 389.20, and NVIDIA started to tank, and I was bidding right below $100, and it went down to $100.01. So I guess we talk about this all the time. Interesting levels, splitting the bid. I should have had a little bit in front and a little bit below, but I didn't split the bid. I was like 20 cents below. I was in the 99.80s. Anyway, it went to $100.01. Now I'm watching it up at 105.70. Once AMD reported it really got it going. So I'm in a mood, but anyway, it's just the way it is sometimes. I've got a lot of missed trades in my career, right? So we'll see what happens tomorrow. Real quick, maybe I'll just show you a couple of those. Microsoft, that didn't work. Let's try that again. I know the symbol, MSFT. There's the daily, and as I'm talking to you, it's trading at 398. So about down here, it went as low as 389-ish. And then and then here's AMD. Ugly into earnings, right? Right now it's trading at 145, so it's gapping up. And that's, yeah, maybe that's it. That's the kind of the big names. Pinterest is another one, PINS, trading at 31.30 in after hours. I'm actually going to put that on the list. Putting that on the list for potential bounce, just because, say it's trading this around here in the morning, 31.27-ish. It's very close to this low from April, right? So if we open down there, it might do what it did back here. So anyway, I'm putting that on the list. So let me go into the list. Real quick, ISPO, I think was the symbol. Man, I can't type today. Had a big day yesterday, so we had it on watch. And then 5-minute candles. Right, see the opening candle right here? It actually opened at 669. As it started to curl up, Gunil in our chat room called it back through, or 670, back through that opening price, which is right about there. And it went to 931 without ever revisiting that. That was a great post. So I wanted to give a hat tip because that was a pretty good call. Anyway, what are we watching tomorrow? SERV got slapped back down, hit a high of 2409, ended up closing at 15. I'd like to see another day down, but if we gap down in the morning, I might even look for a long, right? It might be a gap down bounce play. Usually I want to see 2 or 3 days in a row on a recent strong mover before I'll look for a bounce play, but we'll see. I'm putting it on watch. ISPO, this one's extended. I already talked about it, but we're going to watch it. PayPal gapped up today, closed at 64. Let me turn that down. So I want to watch that one tomorrow. Nice pop today. CMAX, interesting to me. It's a recent high flyer. Today, topped at 807. So back through 8 tomorrow would be, one place I'd really like it. Knowing that 807 and then the high from a few days before that at 849 are what I call stat catalysts. So we might have a whole number inflection point with stat catalysts above. So keep CMAX on your radar. VFC. Flagging, this was on the watch coming today, and it's still in this flag, but it's curling up a little bit in kind of a weak tape too, so that's interesting. NEO, nice pop today, closing way off its highs, but definitely putting it on watch. BFI, penny stock, that's showing some nice strength lately, so I'm going to watch that one. I'm not above trading pennies. AMKR just got decimated today. If it can get down to this horizontal line here, sells off a little bit more tomorrow, I'll look for a turn in this area, potential bounce play. I'm going to put Ford, the letter F, back on watch. Uber back on watch. RGS, really, really big mover. Now you finally got a few days in a row down to near the 20-day, also retesting this high from back here. So it's an interesting area. So I'm putting RGS on bounce watch. NVIDIA goes on bounce watch, although right now it's trading at 106. Still hurts my feelings. I'd be up about $6. SGMO, another penny stock, had some really nice moves and now a couple nasty days in a row. That one goes on bounce watch. And then I think I already mentioned Pinterest. Right now is trading at 31.55. All right, so if this stays down here, I'm going to watch it for potential long at the open tomorrow. All right, anyway, that's it. I'll see everybody in the pre-market. Let's work together and maybe catch some pre-market trades and certainly help each other build a morning gap play list to add to this list. All right, anyway, I'm done babbling. Have a good night.